All these snacks claim to be healthy, but are they actually tasty or it's just another scam? Let's find out.
Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand. I wanna stay with you every night.
The first one we are going to be trying is Super You. This is by Ranveer Singh. He launched this new protein bar wafer. So yeah, let's try it out. Let's actually see the ingredients first. It says no added sugar, so that is good. But I do see maida written in it. So हर रोज नहीं खा सकते हैं. Sometimes if you're like wanting to have something like a sweet, then you can have it. But yeah, let's give it a try. This is in the chocolate flavor. Protein bar generally I don't like in the wafer form. I like it to be like a bar, like chocolate bar type of situation. But okay, let's try it out. This is how it looks. Taste wise, I think it's pretty good. I would rate it kind of like a 7 out of 10 because it tastes like a normal wafer. It doesn't taste like it's super healthy or something like that, that it doesn't have any added sugar. It doesn't like taste like that. So yes, I think it's a moderately good product. The flavoring is also moderately good. It's not extremely wow type, but it's good. It also says it gives you 10 grams of protein. So yeah, if you want like a protein bar and if you're craving something sweet, this doesn't have any added sugar, so that would be good. But it's, I don't think it's completely healthy, so just watch out for that. But yeah, a decent find, a good one. I would rate it a 7 out of 10. Next we have Millet Namkeen Desi Masala. This is from Eat Better Co. It is one of my favorite brands because I love their Nutella laddus. I didn't feature it in this video because I've already spoken about it multiple times. I don't want to bug you all with the same thing. So I wanted to try something new and chatpata. So we're going to be trying this. One good thing about is that this comes with a seal, so like if you want to eat after some time also, it's good for storage purposes. And this is how it looks, like a mixture kind of. So yes, let's give it a try. Honestly, not bad. This tastes really good. It's chatpata. It's like if you're craving something chatpata, then this would be best. Like a snack time chai ke sath, if you want to have something, then I think this is a really good option because it has all the flavors and it's really good. I really liked it actually. Let's see the ingredients are peanuts, ragi save, chana, jowar crisps, ragi crisps, rice crisps, sunflower oil. Okay, seasoning, jeera. Okay, all the spices. So yes, this looks pretty healthy and it's made up of millet. So yes, I definitely approve this. This I would give a 8 out of 10. Even in the namkeen, if you want something in namkeen to have with your chai or something like that, then the perfect option is this one. Next, we have the Slur Farms Mighty Puffs in the cheese and herbs variant. So this says it has no maida, no preservative. Says it's made by two mothers. It's baked, not fried. So I think this was a brand I saw on Shark Tank, if I'm not wrong. I think I saw this on Shark Tank. And it is made by two mothers who wanted to give their kids better snacks. Let's check the ingredients. The ingredients are super grain blend of jowar flour, ragi flour, rice bran oil, seasoning, yeah, and rosemary extract. This looks pretty healthy and yeah, I'm excited to taste this one. This one costs 30 rupees for this pack. Little expensive, but healthy snacks are expensive, so uska kuch nahi kar sakte. You're paying for the ingredients kind of. Cheese and herb variant I really like, so let's try. Yeah, I hate when like I have to struggle to open packages. Okay, this is how it looks, like a nice star shape. It's made for kids, so they're going to really like it. Okay, this one definitely tastes healthy, but not in a bad way. It tastes really good. And the thing is that the cheese and the herb flavor is very mild when you actually eat it, but once your like aftertaste is very strong. So yes, I like it. And I think if your child wants something healthy or like you want to eat something healthy, then I think this is a good option, like just to binge if you're watching a movie or something. If you want something but you don't want to ruin your diet, I think this is a good option. I think I would rate it again an 8 out of 10. Yeah, it's good. Okay, next up we have Pintola brown rice cakes. So this I saw on Trendy's story. She said that she generally has this with peanut butter. I don't really have peanut butter right now, but still, let's give it a try. As the name suggests, it's like rice cake, brown rice cake. Basically, इसमें कोई extra flavoring नहीं है, और it's just pretty bland. You'll definitely have to have it with something like a dip or like some peanut butter or something like that, because by itself it's not tasting like anything at all. It's like I'm eating like वो thermocol sheet होता है ना, because the texture is like that. So yeah, I would give it a 5 भी नहीं करूँ. Actually, if I only rate it by itself, then I would give it like a 3. But if you add it with like Pintoa ka hi, there is this peanut butter which is pretty healthy. So if you want to try, you can try it with that, and then maybe it'll taste good. But by itself, no. Then we have date bites by Family. This I've tried previously also, and this is one of my favorites. But to show you how this looks, I wanted to include in this video, because if you're trying to eat healthy, then I think this is a great option for snacking. Let me show you how that looks. This also comes in a bigger pack where you get multiple of these chotu ones, but I got a small one. This is how it looks like barfi. It literally looks like barfi made up of dry fruits and stuff. So yes, this is date sweetened. This is not sugar sweetened or processed sugar. So I love that. Let's give it a taste test. So yes, this tastes really good if you want something sweet and आपको अगर Indian sweets की craving होती है, then I think this is a good option, because ये थोड़ा बर्फी का taste type situation होता है. So this is really good if you want to try. The ingredients in this are dates, almonds, cashews, pistachios, ghee, and honey. That's it. Like all clean, healthy ingredients. So yes, this is a great option if you want to try. I really recommend. I would rate it an 8.5 out of 10, because I really like this and I do buy this on a regular basis. So 8.5 out of 10. And next we have the Open Secret Unjunk chips in the flavor. इसका flavor किधर लिखा है? तंदूरी. इतना बड़ा ही लिखा है, मुझे ही नहीं दिख रहा. It says baked, not fried, of course. Then 7 super ingredients rich in protein, powered by millets. Okay, let's see the ingredients first. Ingredients are oats flour, soya protein isolate, corn flour, rice flour, sunflower oil, jowar flour, gluten. Okay. Pretty decent. I would not say great, but ठीक है. It's fine only. Let's give it a try. Okay. Why is opening these packets so difficult? Okay, this is how it looks, triangle, and looks pretty healthy by just the looks of it. Just give it a try. And it smells also like those masale. I can really smell the masale. Not even eating it, I can just smell it. Let's give it a try. Interesting. Okay, this has an interesting taste. First, when you eat it, you don't get any flavors, but once, like, the aftertaste is sweet with spices. So it's like a mixed thing that's happening. Like the aftertaste is sweet, which I don't understand where it's coming from. Like it says tandoori flavor, thoda smoky taste तो आ रहा है. That yes. But overall, I didn't really like it. I would give it like a 5 out of 10, because not really my taste. Like the after sweetness is not really my thing. If I'm eating something chatpata, then I want that savory ka taste. I don't want sweet taste. So not a good one for me personally. So I didn't really like it. I would rate it a 5 out of 10. Okay, the next one we have is BRB Riced Pop Chips. This is not baked, this is not fried, this is popped, and it is made with real veggies and pulses. It is peri peri flavor. It says high protein, no palm oil, and as you've already seen, I have opened it and I have tried it and I have reviews for you. But okay, let's see the ingredients first. Okay, ingredients say rice bran oil, red lentil, green peas, spices and condiments. It pretty much looks healthy only to me. This is how it looks like. It's like a thin chotu sa round crisp type looking. Yes, let's give it a try. Okay, thoughts about it is that it says peri peri flavor, but इसमें peri peri का taste बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. This में the only thing I can taste is if you eat pani puri का that water, if you dip in like a chip and eat it, how it would taste. It taste something like this. It has that चटपटा taste of that पानी पूरी. पेरी पेरी flavor तो ये कहीं से भी नहीं लग रहा है, but taste में it's not bad and I don't really mind it. Like I've almost finished half of it, so I really don't mind it. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. It's good. Like if you want something chatpata, then yep, this one's good. Okay, we have one more from Open Secret. Let's see if it is going to redeem itself. This is another flavor of the same thing. This is chili pizza. So let's try it out. I will not even try to open this package. I will just cut it open because I don't want to struggle for another 10 minutes. Okay, this is how it looks, similar to that one, same only. So this one also does have that little sweetness aftertaste, which I'm not a fan of, so no. But chili pizza ke hisab se, yes, it's tasting like a pizza first initially when you eat it, and yeah, chili ka taste bhi hai, but I'm not a fan of that sweetness. But otherwise I think it's pretty decent compared to that one. So yeah, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Thoda better hai. If you want to try something from this brand, then I would say try this one out. Okay, next we are trying Millet's cheese balls. It's made with millet. It says baked not fried. Again, ये क्या नया trend चल रहा है baked not fried का? Okay, I think this is a very gimmicky thing because many packages I see write baked not fried and people think it's healthy and buy it. So yeah, I think baked not fried is still मतलब good only. Fried तो नहीं है. It says no palm oil. Thumbs up. That's good. Gluten free grains. No refined sugar. No trans fat. Zero cholesterol. No artificial coloring and flavors. That's good. Ingredients. Puff is made up of jowar, foxtail, millet, corn, rice bran oil. Okay, pretty good. The seasoning is made up of cheese powder, spice extract, salt, unrefined sugar, rosemary, acidity regulators. ठीक है. Looks pretty healthy. All good ingredients. I didn't find anything. It has no palm oil also. So yay. Let's give it a try. I'm not trying to open packages. हो गया है मेरा packages open करते करते. Oh my god, guys. It tastes like जो वो cheese balls आते हैं ना, like that cheese balls or like Cheetos cheese flavored. It's tasting like that and I love that. I love that for me. Let's give it a try. Okay, it looks also like that. See, it looks like those Cheetos cheese flavor, that orange color packet. Thoughts on this one is that the flavoring is very mild, but not that I don't like it. I really like it. And the cheese ka taste is also very mild. So the whole flavoring is very mild, but it's very good. I don't know how to say it otherwise. I like it. This one's good. I'm getting that garlic ka flavor. I'm getting thoda bit of spicy also. Plus the regular the texture of how the Cheetos cheese balls is, it's actually the texture is also like that. So yes, I really like this actually. This one's good. I will rate it a 9 out of 10. I mean thoda aur flavoring hota to it would have been even better, but yeah, I like this. Approve this one. Last but not the least, we have to end it on a sweet note. So we are having the whole truth double cocoa protein powder. And if you know me, I love this. It looks something like this. So itna bada bar aata hai. I think there is a smaller one also. So yes, this is how it looks again, like a brownie kind of a texture. Let's give it a try. This I'll tell you is definitely dry. Like it's healthy, so इसमें expect मत करो कि it will be gooey like a brownie. It is dry, but the taste is really good. And if you find something like this and healthy, and then it's a 10 on 10, because if you're craving sweet, then this is what I go back to, and I love this. This is only available on Swiggy or EA apps mein. It's generally out of stock, mostly out of stock. So yes, this I love and I really approve. I will give it a 10 on 10 already, but for you I will give an ingredient list preview. Okay, it says it's made with cocoa powder, cocoa butter, dates, cashews, almond and whey. So protein powder, protein मिल रहा है आपको इसमें 20 grams of protein. So yes, if you want like a protein bar that tastes really good, आपके cravings be satisfy ho jaye, so this is really good. I would give it a 10 on 10. I love this one. I vouch on this one. I've made my friends try it and they all approve, and it's really good, so you have to try it out. And with that, we are at the end of this video, so I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it. If you tried out any of the products that I have already mentioned in this video, then you do let me know and your thoughts about it. And if you want me to try any new products, any new snacks, anything, I would love to do it. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, because I'm doing this birthday series where I post 5 times a week and you will really enjoy it. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I try to post a lot of these there also, so you will enjoy it. And until I see you next time, love you, bye.